Hi everybody, welcome back. For years I've had a random deformed bead in my craft stash that reminded me of these antique light switches, so I decided to make a mini version. First up, I cut a tiny circle out of bead carton, just a little bigger than the bead. I painted it black. Using some scrap copper wire, I twisted up one end so I would be able to thread it through the hole in the bead and secure the other end in place with contact adhesive. If you're new to this channel, click subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Once the glue was set, I could trim off the excess wire with wire cutters. On the end of the wire, I added a drop of Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. When it hardened, it looked like a little knob, which I painted copper. Then I managed to get contact adhesive glue absolutely everywhere as I carefully glued the bead to the carton circle with far more glue than I ever needed. And that is how I made a mini antique light switch. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Join in the fun in my Facebook group, link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!